In this brief tutorial, I want to show you how to log into our timeline on Tiki-Toki for our work in New Mexico history. And I also wanted to show you how to get started with that platform. There will be another separate video tutorial where I show you how to add the content of your entry to the timeline. And then another where I talk about the nuts and bolts of the assignment. So in other words, what to actually write in your entry. So I've made them as 3 videos, so hopefully they'll be in short enough chunks that you can go to the one that is actually relevant to whatever question you have about the assignment, and you won't have to watch a long 15, 20-minute video that covers things that you don't necessarily need to know about right now. So in terms of accessing the course timeline, here in Brightspace, I've already gone to the timeline assignment instructions. If you're not sure where to find those, please watch the course tour video that's in the same section as the syllabus here in Brightspace. You can also access these instructions via the course syllabus. I have that open in another tab over here. This is page 5 of the syllabus under the assignment section. There are links to all of the various assignment instructions here in this paragraph. So you just click on whichever assignment you're needing, timeline, and it will open. But again, I have that open over here. There are various places to get the link to our course timeline. One of them is right here in this document. Sometimes when you click it, it pops you back up to the top of the screen like that. So if that happens, you just scroll down and then you click that other link that popped up. And I already had this open in a different tab, so I'm just going to close that one. While this opens, this is our course timeline on Tiki-Toki. Tiki-Toki is just a free timeline building platform that we use so that we can all see each other's work, read each other's work, and collaborate on the course timeline. When you get here, this kind of intro box pops up. You just click the X to get rid of that. To log in, click the login button. And then you will find the login credentials. I'm going back to the other tab. Here in the instructions. So right here, the username, New Mexico history, no spaces, and then our course code, HIST 2110. So you'll go back over here, you'll click login, and you'll enter those credentials. I already have a bunch here, so they already auto-populate for me, and you click login. Once you do this, you'll see this page here, and some people get stuck on this page, so this is the one I really wanted to show you. If you scroll down too far, you'll see that it says you've already reached your account's limit on timelines. Some folks are like, what do we do? Don't worry about that. We're all working on the same timeline together, so please be cognizant of that as we complete our work together. We'll all click to get into the timeline the same way. So you just click the words New Mexico history, or you can click edit. Don't click copy or delete, please. So you click there, and you'll see the course timeline again. This should look familiar, except this time you have access to this admin section. So you can hide those controls or see them, but this is the place where you will create new stories and add your entries on the timeline. So that's what I wanted to show you here. Again, please watch the other tutorials. I'll pick it up from this spot, and I should probably turn off my email before I do the next one, huh? I will pick it up from this spot and show you how to add your work on the timeline.